आयुष राइट साइड से कैमरा मूवमेंट भी होगा।
First point for the red team.
जहाँ पे राइट साइड में फायर बटन है वहीं पे अगर आप
अरे मॉडल वन में इन लोगों को फाइट लेने दे।
कैमरा भी हिलेगा।
Nice one. Let's go.
हाँ आयुष शूट नाइस आयुष
Nice one.
You shoot him, Ash?
Ayush is gone also. Nice
Then
one.
you have to, guys, you have to use your right analog to aim and then.
आयुष it's me
Who's who?
आयुष shoot him
Watch out.
Who am I shooting?
Nice one.
Anybody with a red boundary is your enemy, okay?
Oh, red. Thank
आयुष
you.
shoot them
Nice one.
Oh.
Jace sits.
Behind you, Jason behind you. Come here.
Jace acts like, oh no,
Ayush in front of you. There's Marcel behind the lawn.
Kill them, Jason, kill them. Reload. Kill him.
आयुष थोड़ा से ऊपर कर लो
Jason knows how to play.
Kill me, brother.
Absolutely.
I'm here to kill
Killing
you.
spree. Red team.
Come on, Jason, kill him.
Slow.
Kill him.
Kill me, brother.
Get him, Jason, get him.
Son is behind you.
Bro, we are leading by 9-3, bro.
Into center, top center. There's the scorecard.
Yeah, but how much are we going to, or is it time? Or is
The
6
team.
minutes left. 6 minutes.
We have 6.5 minutes left.
आयुष वो अपने टीम है आयुष राइट से घुमा लो तुम्हारे पीछे है
you turkey.
behind you आयुष
Acha, listen. The left part.
oh
of
the bullets are
screen
gone
you'll be
I'll give you my gun take it pick it up
How?
yeah
Crouch and shoot, huh?
Left side, Jason, left side.
Jason is just
Yeah.
actually taking all the charge.
yeah he's here
Watch out.
This one.
I shoot
Jason on your right, Come on, kill him.
आयुष भाई कैसा लग रहा है?
he's hiding there
Watch out.
समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे
behind you
मैं समझा गया मैं आ रहा हूँ मैं आ गया मरने अच्छा एक जगह खड़े रहो राइट हाफ अरे इनको मारने का मौका मैंने पूरा ही मार दिया
मारो
मैं सिखा रहा हूँ राइट हाफ ऑफ द स्क्रीन से ऐसे कर पाएंगे आप ऐसे
समझ गया
हाँ
आयुष भाई राइट साइड घुमाओगे ना आप एम लगा पाओगे लेफ्ट जॉयस्टिक घुमाओगे ना तो आप उससे मूव करते हो
बॉडी मतलब प्लेयर मूव करेगा।
Come in the center.
हाँ तो आप राइट से ऐसे एम लगाओ पहले फिर गोली मारो that's me Jason is killing both of them
Nice one, Sonis. Sonis, you are 1 HP. Hide around. Jason, actually, you can aim it also. You might see a top right.
you guys can open the scope by pressing the scope button
right there will be a circle na with 4
Gamer instinct.
I guess Jason has been playing FIFA, right? Yeah, so he knows the controller mechanism.
Ayush
Almost the
bhai,
same.
right here brother
Yeah!
right here your ex-partner is right here kill me brother
Jason got you.
Jason is taking everyone down.
Grow up. Unlucky.
So can I knife somebody or Call of Duty or punch them? Can I walk up to them?
You can punch.
Yeah.
Punch people.
You guys can punch each other by okay.
Tap on the gun.
Center bottom.
Tap on the gun. There's an option where you can tap on the gun. Yeah,
Hand to hand.
Jason on your left.
Wait,
45 seconds remaining
listen. We can do one thing.
Punch him.
Marcus
Oh,
versus.
he's punching.
Marcus versus Jason.
Punch him. Marcus versus Jason.
Go.
Behind you. Behind you.
The blue team doesn't have a lot of
Marcus
time
opted for
left.
gun again.
Fuck him. I'm sorry, I can't sweat.
Oh, 1 HP, Marcus.
Punch him.
You got him.
मैं आयुष के सामने आके खड़ा हो रहा हूँ हमेशा
Alright, it was a great game. Last 5 seconds left.
Come on, Jason.
Oh boy.
Sorry, Jace.
Red team victory.
We were.
Victory! Yeah.
Jason.
Wow, 20 kills by
Jason.
Jason is a born gamer.
Nice, nice, Jason.
awesome. You guys literally adapted very quickly.
Very quick.
Yeah, it's a fun game, you know.
Yeah, likewise, man. It's been fun being on here. To all the gamers, I don't have much expertise in gaming, as you can see, but just aim and hope for the best in terms of cricket. Just follow your dreams, man. Follow your dreams and make them a reality.
Yeah, I like that. Follow your dreams. And when you're starting out at anything, similar to Jace, pretend like you haven't been doing it, and then just go and dominate. And then when you talk after, pretend again like, oh yeah, I'm not an expert, but yeah. that always works well. And a lot of people believe you, but yeah, unless you're like me, I see straight through it.
Oh, just keep supporting, and I hope this time our team win.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for having us. Bye. Bye. Bye.